In this video, we're going to discuss the merits of frequent oil changes, why we might be wasting our money if we do it too often, and why we might be damaging our car if we leave it too late. And are the manufacturer's recommendations, those long service intervals, doing our car any good, or are the manufacturers trying to make a bit of work for themselves in repairs further down the line? Watch this video and we'll just discuss these topics together. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I really do appreciate your feedback and your responses, and I've learned a lot from you guys, to be quite honest. So thanks for watching. See you after this intro. I've noticed that a lot of comments have been made on videos where people are recommending fastidiously an oil change interval for their car. Some people are advocates of practically changing the oil every time you drive the car. Other people advocate that the oil should only be changed in the car if there is a planetary alignment going on in that particular week. The truth is certainly somewhere in between, and there is not a hard and fast rule that applies to everyone. Our circumstances are different. Now, the reality is it depends on you, how you drive the car. If you do a lot of short journeys and you were to send your oil off for analysis, you'd probably find that the oil has become diluted. There's a lot of moisture. There may even be fuel that has soaked through into the oil, and the oil has captured that. And because the short journeys are happening regularly, it's not getting a chance to burn these off. So if that's the situation, the oil protection is going to be compromised. You would need to change the oil more frequently. As a general rule of thumb, most people agree that about 5,000 to 7,000 miles is when we should be changing our oil. There are long life oils. Manufacturers often say that these last for 24,000 miles, but there's certainly not going to be any damage done to your car by changing the oil more frequently. Your pocket may be damaged by that, but it's often better to err on the side of caution. But when you reduce the oil change interval down to say 3,000 miles, you're dealing with a law of diminishing returns. If you send the oil off for analysis at 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, up to 7,000 or 8,000, you'll notice there's not a big difference in degradation between those mileages. So how much extra protection are you getting compared to the cost of the oil and the oil change? Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please boot the like button. Please subscribe to the channel as well. That really does help us to get out there. And I've lined this video and this playlist up for you that you should find really interesting. Thanks for watching. See you in this next video.